Hi everyone, this is Reina with WTI.
Do you have a fish at home as a pet like me? You will need this automatic fish feeder. This innovative device takes the worry out of their feeding your fish, whether you're at home or away. This will be your friend. Never worry about forgetting to feed your fish again. The automatic feeder reliably dispenses food at preset intervals, ensuring your fish are nourished even when you're not around. The feeder has a spacious food container. You can store sufficient amounts of food. Simple to install and operate, the feeder can be attached securely to the aquarium ring or stand, providing a hassle-free feeding solution. You can tailor feeding schedules to suit your fish needs, whether they require multiple small meals throughout the day or larger portions less frequently. This fish feeder uses 2 AAA battery. This is convenience and peace of mind for fish owner.
But that is just my point of view.